Hello everyone, in today's video, I'll show you on how you can mirror objects in Anycubic Slicer. Now, the first thing that I'm going to do is to actually add my shape onto Anycubic Slicer. And from here, just to show you, I'm also going to add a text. Right after, to finally mirror your object, I'm going to create a duplicate just to show you the before and after. You want to make sure that the object is selected. Right click on it, and then there will be this mirror option. Now we can mirror on three options along the x-axis, y, and the z-axis. So in my case, I'm going to be mirroring it from the y, and as you can see, it will then look something like this. And let's try another one, which is the x-axis. So it will just go ahead and basically do it like this. And now finally, if you mirror it along the z-axis, it will actually flip the objects upside down. And so if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.